Hey guys, it's Liam from R.V.C Tech here, and I'm back again with another video. So I've been using the Fendior R1 smartwatch for the past 2 weeks, and let me tell you, it's been an interesting experience. This watch promises to do a lot, from answering calls to tracking your stress, sleep, and even your temperature. But how well does it really work in daily use? Let's break it all down. Starting with the looks, honestly, I'm impressed. You get a sleek round dial, solid build, and a beautiful 1.43-inch AMOLED display with sharp colors and good brightness. It feels premium on the wrist and has an IP68 waterproof rating, so it's safe for everyday splashes and workouts. On paper, the Fendior R1 is stacked with health features: heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, blood pressure, body temperature, blood sugar, stress levels, sleep tracking. But here's the truth from using it daily. Heart rate monitoring is automatic. That runs in the background all day and works fairly well. Everything else has to be triggered manually. Yep, that means you have to go into the menu and start each measurement yourself, like blood oxygen, blood pressure, and temperature. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it situation. And as for sleep tracking, I'll be honest, it's not very accurate. It sometimes shows I was sleeping when I wasn't, and often misses short naps or late-night wake-ups. So if automatic health tracking is a big deal for you, this watch may fall short in that area. Fitness-wise, it does a decent job. Steps, distance, and calorie burn all track well enough for everyday fitness. The activity reminders are a nice touch to keep you moving. You also get a bunch of sport modes, though keep in mind they're mostly time-based and not GPS tracked. So if you're into general fitness, it gets the job done, but don't expect super detailed analytics. This is where the Fendior R1 shines for the price. Bluetooth calling works. You can answer and dial calls right from your wrist. Message notifications, call alerts, music control, and remote camera all worked fine during my testing. Tons of extras: alarm clock, calendar, compass, multiple time zones, and even things like a calculator. It really tries to be a do-it-all device, and for the most part, it delivers on the utility side. Battery life is actually solid. I got around 7 to 8 days on a full charge with normal use. Notifications on, occasional calls, and health tracking. Charging is pretty quick, and standby time is great. After 2 weeks with the Fendior R1, here's my verdict. Great design and display. Solid smart features like calling and reminders. Long battery life. Heart rate tracking is automatic and decent. Other health features are manual only. Sleep tracking is unreliable. So if you want an affordable smartwatch for casual use with lots of tools and a premium look, it's definitely a value buy. But if you're after serious health tracking or automatic insights, this might not be the one. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.